Hello guys, this is your teacher Christopher. Welcome back to another video. I'm glad that you guys are watching this video. That means that you guys want to learn. Today I am going to talk about expressions of quantity. We use expressions of quantity when we want to talk about the amount of things. By the end of this video, you will be able to use expressions of quantity to talk about the amount of things, people, animals, or places when complaining or giving suggestions. Let's see about that. Here we have very common expressions of quantity. Too many, in a negative way, and we use too many with countable nouns. Too much, in a negative way, and we use it with uncountable nouns. Why I say negative? When we use too next to many or too next to much, that means that you guys might be complaining about the quantity of something. And you will see that in a few minutes. We also have more, and I have the symbol next to it so you can understand what it means. We also have less, that is the opposite of more. We have fewer, a small amount of something, and enough, which means sufficient. Let's continue. Here we have examples of expressions of quantity. We have too many. As I said, we use it in a negative way when they are together. Negative amount. There are too many cars in the streets. I am complaining when I say that. There are too many cars in the streets. As you can see in this example, there is an amazing traffic jam here. And this looks terrible for these people waiting. So that is why I'm using too many in this case. There are too many cars in the streets. Next one is fewer. There should be fewer cars in the streets. Now I'm giving like a suggestion. There should be fewer cars in the streets. It will be a lot better for everyone to go from one place to another in less time. Let's continue. Too much, in a negative amount. There is too much pollution, and I use too much with uncountable nouns. Pollution is an uncountable noun. We cannot count pollution. So I use there is too much pollution. Less. There should be less pollution. With less pollution in the world, beaches will always look like this. Beautiful, right? Let's continue. More. And as I said, I included the symbol of more here, so of plus, so you can understand what it means. We need more street lights. We definitely need more street lights in Dominican Republic because streets are very dark. We need more public transportation. That's right. We have fewer public transportation and a lot of cars in the way. We definitely need more public transportation. Let's continue. Enough. As I said before, it means sufficient. There aren't enough police officers. And as you see guys here, aren't is in blue because aren't is a negative of the plural, right? Of there are, there aren't. Now, here I am saying that there aren't enough police officers in the street. Here in Dominican Republic, we definitely need more police officers in the street so they can take care of any possible criminal looking to assault somebody in the street. Now, here says there isn't enough parking. Parking is uncountable. So I use isn't. There isn't enough parking. As you can see in the picture, the parking lot is full. So there isn't enough parking. We definitely need more parking spaces. And that's it for today, guys. That's enough information for you. So, this is vocabulary, new vocabulary for you about expressions of quantity. Use them wisely, guys. And the only way to use them wisely is practicing. Thank you very much for watching. This was my explanation about the expressions of quantity. I hope that you liked it. And remember, if you want to master something, you really need to practice, practice, practice. See you next time.